Hi, my beauties. Today's makeover is on Marieke, a 42-year-old who has never worn makeup apart from mascara. With her naturally beautiful bone structure, the goal was to enhance her features while keeping the look soft, effortless, and elegant using a minimal number of products. A cold sore on her lip? No problem. It was seamlessly concealed with a foundation, proving that a little touch of magic can go a long way. We started by applying a cream which acts as a primer for the face, and then we started with the eyes, applying the lilac cream eyeshadow and primer, which we applied with our finger to the eyelid, creating a smooth and even base. Then we applied the lilac pressed eyeshadow, which was brushed onto the outer eyelid and crease for depth and definition. And then the copper eyeshadow was applied to the center and inner part of the eyelid to bring warmth and brightness. The nude eyeshadow was blended under the eyebrows to highlight and lift the eyes. We then applied a touch of the Cajal Brown eye pencil applied with a brush to the upper outer lid, and we blended it, creating a kind of soft, smoky look. And then we brought it just above the eyelashes there. Then we started on the skin and we applied the foundation. This is a foundation that is a concealer and a foundation, using a concealer brush which allows for precise coverage of areas that we want coverage on. So we wanted to cover some of the spots on the skin, the brown spots, but we also wanted to keep some of the freckles visible to maintain a natural skin look. Once we applied to the areas we felt needed concealing, we then blended it with a kabuki brush over the whole face for a seamless and natural finish. The goal was to even out the complexion while preserving Marieke's natural beauty. We also used the concealer to conceal the cold sore that was on her upper lip. This is not just a foundation, it also contains zinc oxide, which also helps in the healing process. After we blended with the kabuki brush, we then went over some areas that we might have missed with the concealer. I do like to use my fingers when blending because your hands have natural oils in them and does help in smoothing out the skin after applying the foundation. This foundation covers up any redness, brown spots. We do sometimes use a color corrector like a yellow and a green concealers underneath the foundation, but in Marieke's case we didn't need to. After we'd covered up the areas we wanted covering, we then applied a bronzer in a 3 motion. So on the outer cheekbones, swept up to the outer temples, and then just underneath the chin. This brings back a nice glow to the skin. We then applied a little of silver white highlighter just underneath the eyebrows, also on the inner corner of the eyes, and on the upper cheekbones. Down the center of the nose, and just above the upper lip to enhance luminosity. We then blend it with our fingers. Now, could have left it like that, but then I thought we'll give her the full treatment. So then we added some shaping powder just underneath the cheekbones, and then a touch of pink blush just on her outer cheekbones for a natural, healthy blush. Now we want to add a final eye touch-up for added glam. So we applied the casual brown eye pencil just underneath the lower eye, and then we blended it in using a brush, and then bringing it up to the outer eye for a subtle yet glamorous evening look. So joining up the lower and upper eyeshadow. She did also apply some mascara earlier as well, herself. And then we set upon the lips, and we applied the Retro Lip Pencil Velvet Blossom, which is a pink shade, and applied it to the outer lips before applying the lipstick. And then we applied a soft nude pink lipstick, which was chosen to complement the overall look, offering a fresh and natural finish. The verdict? Marieke was absolutely glowing with confidence. Her husband was thrilled with the transformation, and she couldn't stop admiring herself in the mirror. With just a few carefully selected products, we created a look that was soft, sophisticated, and effortlessly stunning, proving that sometimes all it takes is a touch of makeup to unveil a whole new level of beauty. I do hope you enjoyed this makeover. And until next time, stay beautiful.